So guys, we are at the last event of the hackathon. As you might know, it is the fourth hackathon that we have organized so far, and we are enjoying it from each one we had. And now we are at the fourth one, the hackathon, the finals. Welcome, everyone. So the challenge was easy. You have built real-time streaming application or plugin on top of NVIDIA server. And you have mentors. To be honest, in this challenge, we had mentors, but the contestants are that experienced. None of the mentors got tired in this challenge. But still, thank you, mentors. Oğuz, Yash, Usama, Burak, Mohit, Yunus, and Mustafa. Thank you for being here every time we need you. So, yeah. So in this challenge, we have the team jury, of course. They will the one who will evaluate your effort by the help of success criteria. We have Burak and Yash from our team. Most of you have already known him. But Hamit Mermerkare is from Spaceport. He is the Chief Technology Officer of the Spaceport company. And in here, if he wants to say a couple of words, that would be nice for us.
Yeah, sure. So, as VS Spaceport is actually a spin-off of Antmedia, and it is aiming to provide the volumetric video watching experience using today's and future technologies. And we also provide a true 3-view dimensional viewing experience with 6 degrees of freedom, not like VR experience. So in the VR experience, there are just 3 degrees of freedom. So we increase this freedom with depth and interactivity. So so as a brief introduction, I can just say something like that. So as I said, so we just would like to create a solution which gives a viewing experience with 6 degrees of freedom. So that's it. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you very much for being here, for supporting us.
Mm-hmm.
Let me continue. The success criteria, you have all known that. The juries will check these when you share your screen and show the video that you're recording. The application should ready to use. The POC is important. And if it is user-friendly, it is a good for you. If it is creative and it has innovative features, it is an extra points for you. And the more interactive, the better. And if you mention about your business plan, you will gain extra points. The prize pool is here, 2.5K for the winner. Second runner-up will have the 1.5K, and the third place winner will have the 1K. And that's not all. As I said all the time, we will work together in this happy path. How? We will actually help you to promote your application, to promote your effort. First thing we are offering to you is the 25% of commission for every NVIDIA license you sell. That's in your pocket, and it is valid for every time. And you will earn 100% of the revenue that you make through the NVIDIA marketplace, because we are going to place your application there. And as you know, we have some accounts on LinkedIn, like socials, like let's say Reddit, and we have newsletters we are sending each 2 weeks. So we have some kind of power there as well. And we will use it for you, for your application, to promote your application. And yeah, most importantly, our growing marketplace, we will place your application there, and we will receive demo requests from our users. And after we complete this hackathon, we will see each other most of the time, because we will have lots of demo requests with you, and it means another revenue generation cycle for you. What are you gonna do is you will, in the finals, you will share your screen. You have already recorded your video. You have uploaded those videos on your Google Drive. You will show the video for 3 minutes. Since we don't have too much participants here, finalists here, I will give you 2 more minutes after the video. I will give you 2 more minutes to talk about your solution. If you feel like you couldn't put everything in your video, you will have 2 minutes. You can use this time or not. It's up to you. Then juries will have time to ask you questions. That's it. That will be the finals. So we received 188 registrants, and 17 of them have submitted their ideas, but the 7 of them was able to be finalists. Most of them couldn't finish their application, complete their application, but no worries, because it is an ongoing journey, right? I mean, if you complete the solution in the future, we can still place it on the marketplace. So actually, let's start with the presentations. The first team is Rahul, stream share. It will be content creator. Rahul, can you share your screen and show the video for 3 minutes? Then you will have 2 minutes. After that, juries will have time to ask you some questions.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Mut.
Thank you.
This is the login area of my application, StreamSphere. So, and this is the registration screen. I'm not going to fill this form just to save the time. So let's move to the streamer area. So when you log into the application, you will be redirected to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard. Currently, at this page, you will get the listing of all the live videos which is currently live on your platform. Currently, these are dummy content just to show how it will appear on the platform. So the next screen is the broadcast screen. So at this page, you can start the stream like by clicking on the start broadcast button and filling the information. You will be able to start the broadcast. Here is a mute video button and for mute audio. It also consists of chatting features that you can make use of while live streaming is going on. This is for the viewer count that is displayed here, and this is the type of video that is public. So these are the streamer informations. Let's move to the next screen, that is VOD list. So all those VOD which is uploaded by any streamer on the application will appear here. You can play the video from here. When you click on it, it will start playing. This is the setting. This is the main area of the application where all those settings are listed. File section of the particular user, number of followers, followings. You can update your information from here. Subscription page. So when you start, when you create the account, you need to take a subscription before going live. So when you click on Pay Now, you have 2 choices. That is by PayPal and that is by Stripe. This card belongs to a Stripe payment gateway. Let's make payment by Stripe. And when you complete the payment, you will be directed to my subscription page where you will get all those listings of the subscription. Now this is paid streaming history. So this is a area where you will get the list, the streams which you have already watched. The streaming history. This is live video streaming history that we have done earlier. So all those live streaming will appear here, and you can see the details. This is the redeem section where all those money which have earned by the streamer can be redeemed, can be sent to the administrator for the redeem. And these are the informations here. This is the VOD manager. All those VODs that is uploaded by the streamer will be listed here, and also a streamer can upload the video here. There are some settings that can be performed, like edit video, delete video. You can unpublish this video from the front end, and you can view this video as well, and pay per view. Like you can set the price for the user that you will have to pay XYZ amount to watch this video. This is the revenue dashboard. So whatever you earn from the platform, that will appear here, like total videos, VOD videos you have uploaded, total live videos you have created, and the total revenue that is done by today, that is done on today, and the overall total VOD and total live overall revenue is here. So, and this is the card. You can add multiple card of your choice, whatever you have. So this is all about the front end. This is all about the streamer area. Let's move to the viewer area. So you will be directed from here, and when you click on any video which is currently live, you will get the join a screen. This is a VOD list. So all those videos you can watch. So if this video is free, you can watch it by clicking it here, on here, and that will start playing. So a video that is made paid, you can't view it without making a payment. So you have to click on pay button to just watch this video. And these are the settings. That is the same that we have already discussed. So this is all about the front end, and let's move to the backend area, like administrator area. So this is the dashboard page. You can see all these snippets. Umut, are you telling something?
Yeah, it is just last 1 minute for you.
The summary, the transactions and all. Live video listing recent. So you can view any users. All registrations are listed here. You can see the status of the user, and even you can view all those details of this user, which he is doing on the platform, like followers, how many followers he has, or followings he has, or these are the details. You can add the subscription option here for the streamer. All those VOD details will be appear here. Or you can make the payment from the admin end. So if any user has requested to redeem, you can make the payment from the admin section from here. These are the settings area, that all those minor settings that can be done from here, like you can see. So they are setting the revenue setting, like how much commission who will get. These are the overall application. Thank you.
Thank you, Rahul. So it is time for the questions. Let's not limit the questions with the jury. But I mean, the priority is, of course, juries. Juries, do you have any questions to Rahul?
My question is that, is it ready to publish now with full features, and how you integrate it with Multimedia Server?
Yeah, actually it is ready for the production for the first release. Actually, there are much more features that I'm going to implement into it, right? Like wallet system, token system, just for the payment rather than making the payment multiple times. So there are much more features, new features, attractive features that can be done. And we can integrate it with the Antmedia by creating the WAR file. Actually, last day my system got broken, so operating system got corrupted. So I'm not able to create the WAR file. So Mustafa helped me today. So I have the WAR file. So you just need to log into the backend of the Antmedia console, and you can upload the WAR file by creating an application. So by using that, you can directly run from the Antmedia web panel also, right? There is a backend system which is in the admin area. So that is built on Laravel, and it is on a web server Apache.
Okay, you are you hosted it in another application server, or it uses Multimedia Server also as an application server, because you said WAR file?
Yes.
How you serve this application with Apache?
Yeah, let me explain. The front end code which I showed you, the good UI, that the streamer area and the viewer area is written in Angular, right? And we communicate it through the REST API, and those REST API belongs to the Laravel application, which is PHP, right?
Mhm.
PHP. So that part is hosted on somewhere other server, or you can host on the same server as well also, right?
Oh, okay. I try to understand this structure. Okay, I got my question. The last question. There are lots of buttons, things in the application. Do all of them work right now, or
Yeah, so whatever you have seen in the application is currently in working structure. Whatever it is not working or something is lagging, I have just disabled them, right? Like OBS integration, I have just disabled them, the OBS integration. You can also publish the stream by using OBS on using this application. But that is not complete, so I just removed that from. So whatever you are just looking, we can give a demo and you can have a look of live streaming as well.
okay? Thank you for your efforts.
Balash has a question, Rahul, to you. Is the UI hosted within Antmedia server itself, or is that an external app?
Currently, it is an external app. However, its UI, yeah, I will repeat the same, that it can be hosted on Antmedia web panel by creating the WAR file. So I have the WAR file. I can share that with the juries. I think I am clear, or I missed something.
I have last question. Actually, in the viewer panel, I couldn't see to play a live broadcast.
Yeah.
There is only video, I think, right?
Actually, due to the time limitations, the first time video which I had recorded, it got 10 minutes, but I had only 3 minutes that we were aware of. So
Mhm.
I thought I will get 2 additional minutes for the POC. So I will share the screen and we'll do the demo by displaying the publisher end and the viewer end and chatting along with them. So if you allow me, I can share my screen and just give a demo of how everything is working on, like live streaming at least. I should so.
Actually, let's decide it all together, guys. I think in this short video, it is hard to understand all features and if they are working as desired or not. What do you think? Palaj, I know you had some objection related to this. But to understand if everything is working or not, I think we need to see more. What do you think, guys? Let's decide together.
Yeah, let's
Yeah,
ask to find it.
My idea is that maybe, Rob, you can show us in 1 minute
yes.
or quickly, so we can
Yeah.
see the interaction there. Otherwise, the video cannot show this. This is my idea. Is there an objection, please? Otherwise, let's proceed with this.
Okay, I am sharing my screen.
Okay, please.
So this is the streamer area. I have just logged in. So it is publishing from the streamer area. Now I'm going to connect it through the viewer area, right? Okay, you can see.
Okay, you can see. Actually, I missed
Also,
some. Okay.
you can see the number of viewers. It is updated. You can follow and unfollow this user, block and unblock, and even we can chat. So chat is here, and let's back to the streamer area.
And this is a reply.
Rob, also, can you open the other admin panel? Let's see what happened there. Yeah, this one.
Live videos, view live videos. Okay, sorry, this is VOD videos. Yeah, you can see this is live video which is going on, and it is currently in a started mode. Right.
I think there is an issue with viewer count. Okay, Rod, thank you. Actually, it is good to see everything in live. Thank you for the demonstration. I have a last question.
Yeah.
I will ask this question to all participants, I think. What is the next step?
Okay, can I stop the sharing?
Yeah, of course. What is your business plan for this? What is the next step?
The next step is simple, to promote our app. And in order to promote our app, I am going to just offer some discounts and doing all the setup process and all that is being done by me, right? And if you purchase 1 year license, perpetual license of admin server, we are going to have discount on that. So, and putting additional features into that. So this is my future plans, making the application.
Okay, thank you.
So Oğuz has a question. Please go ahead.
So not a question, but just an idea. So guys, you know, some adult websites are looking for ready applications like this one, so that there may be a market to sell this Steam Sphere to these kind of users, so that they can deploy it on Angthong server and directly use it. Then they try to make money. So just an idea I would like to share.
Thank you.
Yeah, I just want to add into it. I have gone through such requirements earlier, and I have worked on 3 years for such type of projects, and really it works.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
And we have buy that license from you.
Okay, let's continue then. Rajesh is not
Thank you all.
with us. Thank you, Rahul. Rajesh is not with us. Unfortunately, he was not able to finish the app. So we continue with AGRHUB, the last winner of the hackathon. Tan, could you please share your screen and start your presentation for the video analytics first? Then we can continue with TVOS.
All right. Let me share my screen.
Thank you. So juries, at the same time, you can vote. You have the Excel files. While you are watching the presentations, you can vote, or we will meet in the jury's room after the presentations. You can vote there as well.
Let's make it after in that session. Now I'm taking notes.
So can you hear my sound?
So
I just want to say something. Sorry for that, Burak. Generally, if you forget to give the vote right now, you will forget it in the last session. Just this is my previous experience. Just I want to let you know.
Okay. Actually, I took notes right now.
Hello.
Okay, Tan, it is your stage. Let's go.
Okay. I want to check the sound. You okay?
No, we cannot hear the sound. Do you hear the sound?
So, Umit, can you help me open the recording video? Maybe not transfer the audio.
Hold on. Let me share this.
Okay, let me end sharing.
Okay. You see the sound, right? You hear the sound.
No.
No.
There is no sound, Umut.
No sound?
No.
Yes, no, there is no sound in the video.
I think you'd have to check the share system sound button on the share while sharing the screen, I think. When you start to share.
So actually I allow everything. To share the audio, share tab instead. Okay.
Yeah.
Hold on. This one, yes. Okay. So let me know if you can hear the sound. Can you?
Hi guys, my name is Angthong from the AGRHUB.
Yeah, we can.
Very happy to show you our new feature for the cameras. We call it the connected talk. As you know, the retailer meets some challenges right now. For example, management doesn't customer at the same time, and layout optimization to improve the business, and data monitoring and analysis, massive video camera at the same time, and finally offer the personalized experience to develop the customer loyalty. And the connected store model with AI enabling intelligent store retailer are reducing the elite stock out and gain the visibility into the in-store customer behavior to optimize the merchandising. CameOS offer the most simple solution to convert the traditional store into the connected store in 10 minutes. You can connect your IP camera to the cameras and we processing the video data based on object detection, facial recognition, age gender classification to build a useful dashboard for you to improve the business. And cameras has some feature that is people counting, customer demographic, smart product interaction, camera management, and cameras suitable for most scenario for department store, convenience chain store, restaurant, airports, and public area. The unique advantage of the cameras that is first of all that is security. Most the customer concerned about the security, and next that is the customized support to improve the business. And next you can start camera for free. And finally, that is part deployment and care. We have for the free package for the community weekly with camera and user. And next, if you want to unlimited camera, you can buy the Pro package. And if you are the enterprise, you can contact it to get the quotation based on the requirement. And it is the picture capture the cameras for store management, heat map, people counting, ranking, customer demographic, live camera and playback. And you can access to our flight demo with by credential. It is my team and Tân Độ technical list, Mr. Công Lê, full stack developer. Thank you for listening.
Okay, Tang, you have 2 more minutes. If you wanna continue speaking about the solution, it's okay. If you are done, we can continue with the questions.
And
Tom,
you're
you are
muted. You can unmute yourself.
Tom, you are muted. We cannot hear you. Yeah.
All right, let me reset. So we integrate smart door feature into the KMS for customer can using their existing the camera system to get the data based on the object detection and analytics in the video because it's Microsoft. This we build a sample demo for the customer. With the X4, you can install the camera and you can choose the basic camera for the analytic purpose, and you can define some zone for the product ranking, for example, left, right, center, or something. And by this, if the camera on while processing the video, and if detect people coming or come out, the video will real-time data analytics synchronize to the server and build a dashboard report here. For user can access that. You can define multiple zones for multiple products. And the product head map here to visible the hot zone for more the customer visit and lower zone to optimize that. And you can access the dashboard in here, including the gender, or if they can connect the facial recognition, and also know the traffic analytics. And also you can apply for the public area. For example, here we have demo for public area. With multiple store here, we define the line for counting people coming out of store. You can define here, and this is visible for real-time analytics. If detect the people in the camera, and also the heat map to get the most hot zone for people coming, and time for traffic, footstep traffic, area hot traffic, gender, okay. And Master feature can enable for on-mode camera on the market right now. And we offer the licensing for the customer. You can using the camera Ipoly in using the camera Ipoly with on-mode feature in 7 days. After that, you can contact us to get the free license if you want to continue manage a monos camera user group. And if you want to unlimited camera, you can buy our package.
Okay.
And here, this is panel for manage the camera. You can add new camera on edit existing the camera to enable any smart feature. Currently, we support some smart feature for the customer, that is smart door, smart guest, and smart traffic. They can enable it. And yeah, that is the smart door feature integrating to the KMOS to support for retailer and to build the trend store dashboard analytics.
Okay. Tom, thank you for your presentation.
All right.
I think we can continue with the questions. First from juries, then we can ask to participants. Juries, do you have any questions? Okay.
This is an extension for the CMOS, right? Tandu, previously you created.
The cameras installed on the media server and the application, and customer can run directly to manage their existing camera, and also they can enabling the smart door feature to get more the data inside from the camera.
So I have a question. So is this, I mean, is the new feature of smart analytics comes with the same CamOS application, or user have to purchase it separately? I mean, user have to subscribe separately for feature, or
This is the future of the camera. The customer can buy the licensing and enable the feature on the directly. For example, here we apply the license for professional license to enable the AI feature, but they can try the trial feature in 7 days with the AI feature onwards.
okay, thank you.
So Balash has another question. What does layout optimization mean in a real store, retail store exactly? What is being optimized?
For example, you build the dashboard report for layout the products in your store, and you can know what is hot on. More and more customer can visit that to interact with your products, and others on for lower customer entering that. And based on this, you can apply the optimize your store. Or if you have the supermarket right now, you can build a rising for show hand product on the shelf to get more the income, and other zone for the lower revenue, and that's you can optimize your store. Another side, if you can tracking the A or sender your customer, you can build the marketing strategy for your business to improve the business based on the data. Another side, you can iterate with the camera system to monitoring people to prevent the theft interaction in your store.
Okay.
Okay, I want to ask the same question again. What is the next step? Do you have any ready customer for now, or do you have any discussion with someone to sell this?
So on the media marketplace right now, we publish the CamOS, and we work with Umix to demo for the customer the new feature, and we get some request from the customer to enable this.
I think in this case, you need to attract someone who has some shops, stores. Do you have any plan to reach them?
At this time, we not yet right now. Currently, we're focusing on the media marketplace right now to support for customer. We're not selling for the retailer in the Vietnam.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. So I think we are good to proceed, right? Han, if it is okay, I can share my screen and show the second presentation of you, Cloudy TV.
All right.
TVOS.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me share the tab. Let's go.
Welcome back. Today I'm very happy to show you our new application for IPTV, that is LiveStreaming, the most simple IPTV solution for it. So, you know, Almeida support for on video content set with ultra low latency, support RTSP, RTMP, streaming through video recording and loud torrent. But Media don't have the application for IPTV management, the channel user management, monetization TV channel, time shipping, recording the channel TV. Therefore, we build Cloudy TV is the most simple IPTV solution, which allows the content owner, the broadcaster, to do a world-class IPTV streaming in 10 minutes. So, Cloudy TV compatible with most scenarios for the music, movies, sport, hobby, and live gaming. We build a Cloudy TV by on Animator Server. You can install the Cloudy TV on the Animator Server for both the enterprise and community 270. And you need the MongoDB or data store AS3. And the feature of Cloudy TV, that is live TV and time shipping. You can control the user permission on the channel. We support the multi-language and also monetization your channel and content. The unit advantage of the Cloudy TV, that is security. We will check your video data on the server because we upload the Animator server security workload. And you can symbol to start the Cloudy TV by yourself. And you can start it's free. And finally, that is fast deployment and scale in the future. We provide a Cloudy TV for free for community, weekly meditation, a channel and user. If you want also unlimited channel user, you can buy the raw bucket. And if you are an enterprise, you can contact us to get the quotation by on the requirement. And this is the picture capture of the Cloudy TV. And this is the channel you for end user can you live TV and time shipping. And this is the for back end user can manage channel, control the user packet, save system setting, user file, and you can access to our live demo by credential. And this is my team, Angthong, technical lead, and Mr. Kamle, full stack developer. Thank you for listening. All right, next I will show live demo. For example, you can see that.
Sultan, are you gonna show?
This is
something else?
the home page for the end user can access their channel, also the subscription. I log in here, and they can access the channel by on their pocket. They can access the private channel. For example, this is the VIP user can access to the public channel, free channel, VIP channel. And this is suitable for live gaming. Then they can build their customer profile and also improve their revenue by on their private video or streaming for private customer. Another side, if you have the push on channel, for example, Europe World Cup or something, you can broadcasting for the limited customer by on their payment more than just public on the internet for the lock your account. And this and switching to like again, if they missing the host channel or something, they can lay again. And this is the console for the administrator. For example, this is they can manage on channel at the same time and they can know what is the channel is online, what is the channel offline, and they can support for that. And they can control what is the channel stopping or enabling for starting, and control the channel permission by this here. They can control the channel is public or don't require the login, or free or require the login, or VIP or super VIP based on their requirement. And they can choose the how long for the recording, 1 day, 3 day, or unlimited. Or they can change the channel trim for that, and also they can enable or disable. And by the way, if they want to broadcasting on YouTube or Facebook, they can add the RTMP endpoint here. They can add multiple at the same time. And currently we support multiple link for the TV live streaming, stream show on the playlist. For example, this is playlist with multiple channel. They can add one playlist, and we can pass into multiple channels, and you can easily enabling or disabling your famous channel. This is passing online your channel, and you can enable or disable that. Below this is the user guide for add the new channel.
Last 30 seconds. Let's summarize.
Okay. And another side, user can re-register their account by the user channel, and after that, by default, they if user register first time, that is the re-user. And after that, you can build they can buy money, and you can upgrade their profile to passkey, for example, from the user to VIP or on VIP. Beyond that, they can visible to see the famous channel or subscription channel. And we provide a cloudy TV for the on community user with limit channel forever. And if they want to unlimited channel, they can buy the licensing so much. For example, here we channel charge trial. And in the future, we continue develop cloudy TV to support the AI. For example, most feature that is the live caption to transcode the audio to the text. And by this, the customer can another country can see the caption, and you can translate the transcript into another language if needs.
Thank you, Tom.
Okay.
So let's continue with the questions. Juries, do you have any questions for Tom for the two applications for the last one actually, TVOS?
Actually, yeah, for the TVOS, I have a question. What is the product? What do you want to sell? Do you want to sell this infrastructure? This is an infrastructure to someone to create their system, or do you want to create such a system like Twitch or something with the name of Quad TV, Cloud TV? Well, what is the product actually? This software or the service?
This is we sell the software for the end user, like the live gamer, cooker. Another, they can build their private channel for the customer, and by this they can get revenue from the video more than they upload into the YouTube or other channel because that's not so much the income from them. And another side, if we provide a camera allowed TV at the installer packet, they can install directly on the Amedia server, and they don't require another server. Something very easy, and then can easy start their business. You want to sell the application?
Please confirm me if I am wrong. Then your audience is game, for example, game streamers. Instead of using Twitch, you offer them to create their own system. Am I right?
All right. Yes, they can use this platform to get the revenue. And other side, if they want to this platform to broadcasting to multiple platforms, such they can use this endpoint to broadcasting to YouTube, Facebook, Switch at the same time. That's very easy. No problem. But another side, I targeting the like gamer happy. They want to build and drive a channel for their fans more than sell their video content on the YouTube or Facebook or something.
Okay, thank you.
Is there any other questions from juries? So Balash has another one. How does it handle if there are many NVIDIA servers? Are the separate deployments able to form a cluster too and share data?
So if they want to deploy on the server, they can control the video data because currently the Amedia support to click the content into the SLS to prevent the download video for other platform. Another side, if you want to upload videos to another data store for such as AWS S3 Minio, you can do that with the Cloud TV at the same time.
Okay. If there is no other questions, let's thank Tom for his effort. And we can continue with Thanat. He has Teleclinic voice integration for disability. Thanat, you can share your screen and show the video to us. If you like, I can also show the video as well.
Yes, I can show it. And
Okay, thank you.
just a moment.
Sure.
I try
No
to
worries.
find it. Okay.
It is on your drive.
Okay.
After Thanat, we will be with Team Rixel.
You can see now.
Yep.
Okay.
But we cannot hear. We cannot hear.
Probably. Or maybe you can share for me.
Okay.
I'm not sure about this.
Let me do that. Okay, you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, here we go then.
Hackathon. Hi everyone, my name is Thanat Angthong. Today I want to present to Ant Media Hackathon. For my application is a Teleclinic voice education for disability. I have two main ideas. I use NLP and text-to-speech to create a patient media profile. I focus to the on the disability group and use streaming and recording with the NVIDIA. The first step is I create profile in the application, and I create an align button. Use NLP and create the text-to-speech here, and after that, create a channel to stream the record. Project application has two parts. The officer backend is for the medical personnel, and this part is for patient or customer. It run on the web browser, on mobile, on tablet, on laptop also. Development tool is C# AGRHUB SQL Server, IBM Watson Service AI, and NVIDIA Server Enterprise Edition. Streaming. This is a link for the medical system and for the patient web system. This is username and password. You can use it. Okay, it's a live demo. Okay, I log in. After login, I go to the patient and I already fill in here. Already fill in the symptom. I put analyze. It will also with an analyze with the keyword or something to create the graph. The main point is I can create audio skip here. After that, it will be show in the system. Then you can play here and create channel. Yes, I put a app here now. I put here and start public. Okay, this is the server is public now. After that, I use this for the shows application here. For the client side, this is a iPad. Okay, I will play now. This is the iPad for the customer side. Yes, in the critical system here. Yes, the same. It's work now. Okay, you can see here also. Yes, wait for a while. This work. See you today. Thank you. Bye bye.
So Thanat, thank you for your video. You can continue for 2 minutes as well.
Okay, for the live. Okay.
If you like, I mean, you have time.
Yes, thank you
Okay.
for today. I am a beginner of the NVIDIA and develop system also. I try to make the channel for the disability people. I share my screen?
Sure.
Okay. Entire screen. Yes. Actually, I create the web backend and for the create like a patient profile with the after fill in this and the symptom and automatic create the voice audio script, and after that show in the server. It means I try to map the patient profile with the the audio script, and for use in the next future possibility to help them. And I try to create a channel, but okay, I know I may it's not completely yet. Have to develop more. And also here I try to do like in a demo. And something like this. That is my concept to create a channel for each patient and each consult. Otherwise, actually, I focus on the two group for the disability group and for the orthopedic and physical therapy, because when the accident occurs, something, the medical personnel always want to know the environment there, and will help them to analyze the cause and the symptom accuracy more. So it's mean if we have some media or streaming file with the patient, it will help them a lot. This is my idea. Yes, this is for the Kai side. Yes, I think it's finished for today. You can add anything for if you want. Thank you.
Thank you, Thanat, for this lovely application and for considering the disabilities, that's important. So if juries have any questions, it is your turn to ask.
My question is the same. What is the next, Thanat? How do you want to realize this as a product?
Okay. That I said before, the next step is I have to create the channel, the consultation map with the profile correctly, and after that present to the orthopedic, focus on the orthopedic and physical therapy. That is my plan to help to focus on that group. And for disability people like deaf or blind, I think my plan is the media file, audio file, streaming file will help them in the future if we can create channel to easy access. Yes, that is my intention. Yeah.
Okay. I hope you will be successful with your project.
Thank you very much.
So Balash has another question. Is there any component in this system that is an application or plugin on Ant Media Server itself?
Pardon? Sorry.
Is there any component in this system that is an application or a plugin on Ant Media Server?
Yes. Yes, I use the license, and I use NVIDIA from the digital ocean. Yes, and for the application, I deploy to Azure. Yes. Because I don't familiar with Java too much, so that I use C# .NET and Angular deploy
Yes. And next step, I will educate JDK, JDK, NVIDIA JDK, and create more. Yes.
Okay. Do we have any other questions, guys?
So I have some question. Can we install it as a WAR file, or is it a separate application that we need to install on our system?
It will be when install on yours in what again? Sorry.
Okay, so you want me to repeat? Okay, let me repeat. I was just asking, how can we install this application? I mean, can we install this directly on my server using a WAR file, or is it a separate application we need to install or download from somewhere?
Oh yes. It is currently. I send the like a web publish file or but it's need to install in the separate server, I think, because it's not a WAR file.
Okay.
But if you have some environment like for the client side, I use the Angular and with the I use the I create web API from the C# and it also. Yeah, it's not a WAR file. Yes. Have to
Okay, no
separate.
problem. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Thanat, one more time. So the next presentation is Team Rixel, the winners of the first hackathon with the Medicant. So guys, Axel and Richard, feel free to share your screen and show us the video.
Thank you, Umut. First of all, I want to thank you for organizing such an event like this. And I'll share my screen now.
We cannot hear audio.
Yeah.
There is no sound, Richard.
Oh, sorry, Umut, can you share the video?
Sure, let me share the video.
Thank you very much.
It looks very cool, by the way. Let's play.
Not this.
Not this one?
No, this is the DRM final.
This one.
Yeah, DRM server final, yes.
Digital rights management Digital rights management covers 6 different topics, from the usage tracking through watermarking till the encryption itself. Content providers can develop a unique solution or use an existing one. Unfortunately, big platforms focus more on small content providers like influencers. A unique solution is hard due to costs and the lack of standardization. A flexible solution covers all of the 6 topics of DRM and meets the standards, but in the future we want to implement the big 3 workarounds. It can be applied on different streaming protocols and streaming methods. It provides different ways to restrict or regulate the access to the stream. Under the hood, there are 4 encryption and 4 watermarking methods. All of them can be applied separately, combined, or together at the same time. The content provider can add a custom watermark or even a unique algorithm as well. Let's see an example. In a cloud-based solution, our Python server constantly runs as a background process. On the config screen, any settings can be changed. The DRM protection is made by our backend code. A viewer without authentication sees nothing but restriction warning. However, with the proper decoding key, the stream content is visible. It is worth mentioning that the raw stream without credentials and decoding is just like noise. For having a more flexible solution, we need to cooperate with the AMS engine directly, since each streaming type has the needs of a special repacking or encoding mechanism. Potential customers are content providers like companies, universities, and governmental institutions who do not want to implement existing solutions. With our DRM protection, they control the whole streaming process, contents, and data without leaking them to big platforms. Our non-restricted open DRM solution is good for news agencies to prove the originality of their content. This is a new and cheap way of fighting against fake news. Our widely customizable solution covers the whole DRM lifecycle and all streaming protocols to provide the greatest flexibility on the DRM market. As we know, this is a desired idea for the Ant Media server as well. In the end, there is a bonus fun fact. Each other competing hackathon team is a potential customer for our DRM solution, since protecting intellectual properties and copyrights is a must-to-have feature. Please support us. Thank you.
Perfect. Axel, I love the tune of your voice. You know, you are like a professional, like TV host. I love it. Okay, do you want to? I mean, you have time. You can show your share your screen and talk more about your solution, or we can continue with the questions.
I have just a short demo. So you already posted this video, this slide video, and I think we can show this compared the. So there you will see this is on the left side the decoded stream, and the right side is the encrypted stream. And as you see, so you may, if you know what is encoded, you may see some patterns in the encrypted screen, but in fact you see nothing really interesting. And it is the same with the sound. We don't play sound because it's really noisy, the encrypted sound, so therefore we don't play it. By the way, just to be a bit more interesting, this video relates somehow to our future plans with AMS. But this is a secret at the moment. So this was only, and we are glad to receive very good questions from you.
Thank you, guys. So it is time for the questions. Juries, do you have any questions for Team Rixel?
I think Balaj asked for my question.
Okay, Balaj has lots of questions. Let's start with the first one then. Is it concept or is it actually working on Ant Media server already?
So it has it is more than a concept, because the DRM, so there are more kinds of DRM encoding. There are three main types, which are Widevine by Google. It is for HLS stream only. And there is Fairplay from Apple, also for HLS. And the third one is pretty ready from Microsoft, and if I'm don't miss, then it's for Dash streams. And if you know the W3C standards, then you know that for WebRTC, the DRM standard is still under discussions. So therefore, we decided making a custom solution, which is already functioning. So you can encode frames with this. This is based on AES and CTR algorithm. It means by the way, it's a very simple algorithm, but they consider it very strength. This is one of the most recommended solution from the DRM standards, from the global, so from the ISO standards and from W3C. Therefore, we decided to do this. And also, if you have your own encryption and decryption method, you can implement this also to this environment very easily. Just to be absolutely clear, it's worth to mention that the final solution, the ultimate final solution, need to be do something with the deep AMS functionality, since if you repack streaming, for example, if you repack HLS to, I don't know, or ISRT or WebRTC or RTSP to any other streaming concept, or if you change the resolution, or if you change any aspect of the voice or of the data, in case if you encrypt frames, and in case if you encrypt fragments, then you have to do this whole process again and again. Because in any other cases, the accepting side won't recognize the stream itself, and it will drop the stream. So therefore, this is a very difficult task. But to avoid this and to have some working thing to the hackathon, we implemented that we encrypt the frame itself and the audio fragment itself, and you can decrypt the frame itself and the audio fragment itself on the accepting side. Therefore, it's absolutely working. However, we know that, for example, if we are speaking about the encrypted media environment of browsers like Firefox or Chrome, this is where it is hard to ignite these defense in the browsers, because they are waiting for key stores, for official key stores, especially from Widevine. It is the most implemented standard at the moment, but it's really hard to realize. So therefore, we decided to build something working, and this was our standard, which accords more to the classical DRM standard, which is recommended by ISO and W3C.
Okay.
And I would like to add some short notes to this. As you saw in the video, we added some visible watermarks on the top right corner. So it is really easy to add watermarks, and we can add some logos or anything before the stream goes into the AMS server. And we can add invisible watermarks, which means modifying the image content at pixel level. So it is not visible by humans, but it can be revealed by computers. But we have two other watermarking methods. The third one is header watermarking. So we can add some specific encoded string to the header, and we can add these watermark at the output of the end media stream. And the fourth one is the fragment watermark. We can add some encryption data into the file content itself. So to work with the first one, we have to integrate with the core of the AMS deeply, since the recoding can distract our encrypted data.
Okay, guys, thank you for the answers. I guess Oğuz also wants to say something.
Yeah, so Richard, the idea of invisible watermarking has some kind of market currently. Also, from my understanding from the market, when we say there is a DRM solution, people expect to have play ready, fair play, or wide. So mostly they expect some kind of solution to one of the three at least. So then my question, your DRM server is a standalone server, or right now there is some kind of integration with the Antmedia server currently, or this is a future plan?
No, it's actually at the moment massively uses the Antmedia server API to get streams and to put streams, because our basic concept was to be applicable as a real plugin or how to say, or a side software for Antmedia servers. So therefore, our main idea was to get the existing Antmedia server streams and transform them to DRM encoded streams. And therefore, you can handle those streams easily on an admin page to share with the public or with the world. We figured out different sharing models.
I mean, how do you so there is a deep integration, or there is a how can I say, slight integration? You just consume the output of HLS files, or what is the integration look like? What does it look like? Yeah.
Since we at the moment make only this basic AES CTR encoding, this case we consume only the stream output and we make new stream input. But the next step of this cooperation is to take the role of the repacking of the streams on the Antmedia server side and modify this process to be able to make from any stream DRM protected stream on the output side. And this is some part of the topic where we have to dig much deeper and make very much tests how it works perfectly.
So just a small question. I'm sorry, I'm taking your time. Let's assume that there's a stream on the Antmedia server side and it can be playable with HLS.
Mm-hmm.
So how, in technical perspective and in very how can I say, in a basic way, how it uses Antmedia server, how is it integrated? So currently, and for future plan, I understand what you plan to do.
Currently, it is implemented that we take the Antmedia stream, take the frames, encrypt the frames, and
how do you take it?
Sorry.
How do you take the frames from Antmedia server?
From we can ask from the API endpoints the broadcasts that are living related to an application, and then we can open the broadcast and we can get the frames, and we encode the frames and make a new incoming broadcast for Antmedia.
So you develop a plugin for Antmedia server, and you get.
Yes. Yes,
okay.
but we don't consider this as a final solution. This is something to demonstrate you that we can do things like that.
Yeah, I get it. You, just for clarification, you implemented a plugin for the Antmedia server. You just get register the broadcast, and the Antmedia server deliver you the audio packets, video packets, or frames. Then
Yes.
you process them and stream back to the viewers. Okay,
Yes,
makes sense.
because our goal is to make something that requires the most tiny effort from content providers.
Yeah. I think currently there is a market for this product. Not a DRM solution, but as a security watermarking solution or something, because DRM has a different understanding in people's mind.
Yeah.
Maybe in the future you will add play ready and white wine or fair play.
Yes, it is our goal too. But at the moment, as I mentioned, because we have to do something with the repacking mechanism, therefore this was not an option in this short time frame. But it's definitely our goal to add at least white wine, because it's I guess it is one of the most well implemented globally. And there was a question of Mohit about capturing the stream content. So the encrypted media environment of the browsers is therefore important, because technically it works similarly like the same origin policy. So if you can turn this environment on, but it has several requirements when you can turn it on, then the browser doesn't allow us to get you frame by frame any video or the voice directly with JavaScript. However, it is a totally different question. What can you do with, I don't know, OBS player and things like that? It's still something that have to be experimented very much deeply. So I guess it absolutely depends on what you offer for your potential customers, because there are several customers where the maximum security is maybe not enough. So the needs and absolutely the circumstances are very, very different. But our final goal is to have a full DRM solution, of course, with watermarking and with very open standards, just to prove that the origin of the streams, for example, for news agencies, I think it's very useful. And then on the other end, the whole security. So without letting the frames to be captured and without letting the audio be captured. Yes, so it's a long, long way.
Okay. As far as I understood, you have a plugin to capture video audio stream from the Antmedia server. Is it possible to show a POC right now to us on Antmedia server instead of?
We have, but unfortunately, I had to change to Windows. So it is my problem now that I have a media server, and I cannot show a live demo for you. I'm sorry. Because finally we had so we made a basic UI, and therefore we wanted to compile it. So we had a lot of problems, and therefore I left my machine on Windows. Sorry.
Okay, we will see later then. Thank you for your effort. Actually, it's a valuable thing. The question is the same. What is the next? Do you want to sell it as a product?
Absolutely, yes. We think that it has a market, but yes. So it absolutely, we absolutely see the target, and it has an advantage since we are, as we said, we are offering something that requires not too much effort from the entities who already use AMS to change their security or to increase their security. Therefore, maybe the existing AMS clients are also interesting to increase the security of their streams. And there are absolutely any other potential target entities, like small companies, for example, if they offer a customer care. For example, earlier we was software engineers in a company, like a project, where they bought a laser cutter, and as they couldn't mount it together, they received a special personalized tutorial from the seller. And we think that things like that can be also managed through servers like this, because this way you can limit your video, your ticket answer to a specific person with the help of this kind of DRM solutions. And also, for example, if you are a bigger company, you might have an HR department where, for example, you have an entry video for your new colleagues, new employees, and you can share the link and you can control who views these videos. Or, for example, another example from this field, companies where truck drivers are coming usually have safety videos to those drivers, and maybe with the help of this kind of solution they can share this video not just on the spot, but also far from away, to be prepared. So it spares time for anyone. Or universities can share classes, or, for example, governments can share, for example, footages and so on. This is, of course, a higher level. This requires a higher level of security, but this way you can spare a lot of time and a lot of resources if you don't have to put physically footage videos from one place to another. In case if you have a security sharing option, this way you can do this. Or, for example, previous idea, Medicant can have a better market, since medical data is something that requires an increased security nowadays because the change of the regulations. And therefore, we are thinking that even Medicant can be a good user for this DRM server solution to prove a higher level of security for doctors and patients. And therefore, we said that we see very much use cases, even between our competitors.
Okay. So, guys, do you have any other questions for Team Rixel? If not, let's have the special guest now. Before we proceed with Pirates of Ipoly, we have special guest from our team, Usama. He has built something on top of Media Server. I don't want to say what it is. So, Usama, can you share your screen and showcase the solution that you have completed?
Yeah, sure. Let me share my screen. I'm sorry, guys, my camera is not working for some reason. It is turned off. So, can you see my screen?
Yep.
So, yeah. So, I'm using OBS, and it is a browser source. I loaded up a YouTube video in OBS, and I will now stream this YouTube video to Media Server using SRT. Okay. Now the video has been started streaming. I will go ahead and call the REST API that will enable live captioning on the video. So this is the ID of the video, and I can hit this. So it will enable live captioning on this video, and I can play the video. Post. Let me unmute the video. I think video is muted. So as you can see, the caption has started to be to here, and we can this caption is added by the plugin, and this is the YouTube caption. We can compare it. So the accuracy of this might be low compared to YouTube, but yeah, this is this applies the live caption on the stream. Just a second. Let me mute here. I think it is interfering from this stream. Yeah. So it adds this caption on the stream. So this is the basic demo. We can also integrate this to conference call application and other things. So yeah, this is the basic demonstration that I wanted to show.
Usama, do you use any service or something like to for text to speech stuff? What are you using?
Yes, I'm using something called TVOS KPI. Yeah, this is the engine that I'm using right now. They have various different kind of models for different languages, English, Chinese. They have a large model, German. Yeah, this is the model that I'm using right now.
Is it free?
Yeah, it is open source and free to use. Any other question?
Good, Usama. Thank you.
Can I ask something?
Yeah.
So how accurate actually, you know, these captions it produces compared to, you know, the YouTube caption? I mean, so as far as I see, they are quite a bit different, right?
Let's see.
Actually, previously it was as you said, but for now it is very accurate. Can you check?
Yeah, previously what is happening is your audio from this meet, I'm using OBS to stream. So the audio from the meet was interfering and adding up. So I muted this tab. So this I think that might improve the accuracy.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Usama, for your
welcome.
surprise.
Usama, how we can integrate it? Available application.
It is very easy to get integrated. Let me share my screen.
Okay. Don't waste all of them time. I think you will share these details with the world.
Sure. You can just integrate it by adding one div and everything will be handled as it is. You just have to add one div and one HTML file. Everything will be handled other than this.
That's great. Thank you.
Thank you for the surprise one more time, Usama. So it is time for Balash, Pies of Ipoly with the Prometheus exporter. You can share your screen and show the video to us.
Yes, I'm doing that right now. So I hope that the sound will just work because it's shared off YouTube. So what I created was a very simple plugin compared to the things that we've seen so far. Let me play the demo video. Hi everyone, my name is Balázs Jantek, and today I'm going to demonstrate you the Prometheus exporter that I wrote for NVIDIA server. The motivation for me for this plugin was that I believe that streaming platforms must be monitored, but for some reason the vanilla REST API that comes with NVIDIA server is not a standard one, and the documentation contains a Kafka plus Elasticsearch based solution, but that is a bit complicated to set up. I came across this GitHub issue where someone asked for a Prometheus exporter, and I decided to write one. The reason why Prometheus is a good choice is because it's an industry standard. It's a simple human-readable format, and it's supported by many software. If we have Prometheus metrics exported from Antmedia server, then we can very easily connect it with different monitoring and observability platforms. I have Antmedia server running on Amazon, and I have a broadcast going on with a single HLS viewer at the moment. The REST API of my plugin that exports the Prometheus metrics is available on this URL. You can see that the metrics are continuously being updated as I refresh the page. I have a Prometheus server running as a Docker image on my laptop, and this is configured to forward data to logs.io. This is the local Prometheus, and this is my logs.io account, and I have built a simple dashboard to capture some of the basic metrics from Antmedia server. The plugin I wrote is 100% free and open source. It's available on GitHub. In the future, I would like to extend it with more metrics such as error counts or HTTP request counts, and I would like to propose additional metrics to capture in Antmedia server as well. Thank you. So that was it. That was my presentation, and if I can add some more, actually I forgot to mention in the presentation that I've submitted a pull request to the official Prometheus documentation, so you can see that a whole heap of open source popular software have their custom Prometheus exporters, and basically my only marketing strategy for this free open source plugin was really to submit a pull request to extend this documentation. 3 days was not enough to get it onto the list, but hopefully this will appear here soon among the list of many other well-known servers. So previously I wrote commercial plugins, and this time I just decided to give back to the community and write this open source exporter. It's a small thing, but it's a plugin to Antmedia server, so you just plug in the jar file and have it up and running immediately on the server. I still have it running actually, but currently there is no show going on. So that's it.
Thank you, Balázs, for this lovely solution for us. So, juries, do you have any questions for Balázs?
Actually, what kind of metrics do you have right now? Do you want to extend them more? Is there any list for them? Actually, we saw a dashboard.
Yeah, so I have the viewer counts, the broadcast counts, the total broadcast count, JVM, memory-related metrics, and GPU information. Pretty much everything that I found in the REST API, I digged into the code and figured out how you are putting the disk usage, CPU usage, and all those things on the Antmedia dashboard. You know, those gauges on the welcome page, those are included. And that's it. That's it.
Thank you. Is there any other question from the participants? Okay, then it is time for the award ceremony, guys. It means that juries will gather in another room. You will have like 15 minutes free here. You can stay in the call. We will come back in 15 minutes and we will know who won the challenge.
Okay, see you.
Okay. Take your time here. We will be here shortly, okay? Well, hello, guys. Who are you there? The jury finalized the voting part of the challenge, and I think the most enjoyable part of the event is here now. So we will start with the third place winner, then go to the winner. Okay.
Before the award, maybe we can say something. Umut. Is it okay? Or
Yeah, definitely, sure.
okay. Actually, I just want to thank all of you guys. You know, today is Sunday and you are here. Also, you have been working on your project for a while, and you demonstrated great projects. I think they will be better in time in future. I believe that. And so far in the other hackathons, in these hackathons, we have seen lots of projects from you guys. Thank you for your efforts. As you know, as Antmedia, we want to be WordPress of the streaming world. So what does it mean? We want to create a democratized streaming infrastructure, and the marketplace is the most important part to do that. So with your project, with your efforts, we can do that. Thank you for your projects. Thank you for your efforts. Actually, I want to be fair while voting. This was the first time that I have been a jury. Actually, I preferred to be here and discuss something with you as I did previously. But this time, I was the jury. I hope I will be fair. Thank you for your attendees.
So thank you, juries. Thank you, Burak abi. Thank you, Hamit Hocam. Thank you, Yash, for spending time with us to democratize the live streaming world, as Burak said. And let's not wait more, right?
Yeah.
So Yash, it is. Can you just announce the third place winner?
Yeah, okay. So are you excited, guys? So third place goes to Pirates of Ipoly and Prometheus Extra, created by Ballas. So let's give a round of applause.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Congrats, Balash. I just forgot.
Congratulations.
Yeah,
Thank you, Balash.
Hold on. I will share my screen again. Okay, you can see. Okay, the second place. Burak abi, is it possible for you to announce the second place?
Yeah, I can do, I think. The second place. The second award goes to my friend to India. Stream Square. Rahul.
Congrats, Rahul.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Rahul.
For your application. And it is time for the winner.
Everyone was muted.
So Hamit Hocam,
Yeah.
can you please announce our winner?
Yeah,
of
okay.
this?
So the winner is video analytics, AGRHUB.
Congrats, Tan. It is your second time of winning
Okay,
this.
thank you. Yeah. Thank you for your support, Umut and Mirrors team. And this is the second we get the first prize from the Almeida Hackathon. And I will continue contribute for the Almeida to build up the best community for the on developer, and also end user love to build a streaming platform for the fair price. And I hope that thanks for support.
Okay, thank you, Tan, and congrats. Actually, congratulations to everyone, because this is not the end. You know, I have talked about the other ways of collaboration. So it is just the beginning of a beautiful journey. So we will place your applications on the marketplace. We will receive lots of demo requests for you, and we will continue seeing each other. It means like we are a part of a huge team, and we are enjoying it. This is not last hackathon that we organized. There will be some other hackathons as well. So thank you for being here, guys. Thank you joining the challenge. It is lovely to see you, you know, working with us. Working for the solution, you know, being part of the solution. Thanks for that. Team Rixel, Team Rixel and the others, I will reach out to you guys for the further opportunities, and the winners, of course. Just wait an email from me. This is not the end, as I said. This is a beautiful beginning, and thanks for being here and helping us to be streaming engine of the world. Have a nice day ahead. If you want to say something, it is time. If not, have a beautiful Sunday evening.